Today I'm going to talk about the complete cure for knee joint osteoarthritis. For those patients who have knee joint pain since a very long time, all the medicines done, injectables done, all therapies done, yet the pain is severe, very temporary results or no changes. At the same time, there are patients who've been suffering from a very long time. It is an emergency now and they are advised for an operative process. In over 46 plus countries now, we often see patients who tell us that the knee joint pain which has been operated now is more painful as compared to that joint pain, the other one which is not operated. Patients often complain severe pain which is increasing every single year. This problem becomes chronic, becomes incurable as the age passes by. The problem gets very much difficult to cure. In over 46 plus countries, again, Ayurveda has set the patient free from the osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. Patients are free from their trigeminal neuralgia, vertigo, migraine, headache, from those conditions where the problem was incurable, where the complete arthritis is seen, complete restricted movement is seen, the inflammation comes down, the pain comes down. It's very important to have the right mindset to know the difference between what is a relief which can be done very easily with just one medicine which anybody can do, and a difference between complete cure to get rid of the pain, at the same time make the joints strong internally for a very long period of time. It's very important to reduce the vata, thereby the patient experiences the joint pain and the swelling coming down, which is best done by Ayurveda. And this is something we're going to understand in this particular video. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. Knee joints are the key joints of locomotion. When they get hurt, injured, degenerated or inflamed, they give pain and makes the life difficult. Even the simplest day-to-day activities seems to be different when the knee joints are paining. As I do not mind saying this is not an aggravation, but in every other family, we see at least one case of osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis, if it affects the knee joint, it is diagnosed as knee joint osteoarthritis. As per Ayurveda, this is called as Janu Sandhigat Vata. Janu, which refers to knee, and Sandhigat Vata, which refers to osteoarthritis. The common reason behind this condition is the sedentary lifestyle and unwholesome food habits. It is beautifully explained as Vatapurna Dhriti Sparsha, explained by the father of medicine Acharya Charak, which says that this condition is characterized by swelling at the joint and a lot of pain which restricts the movement of that particular joint. Ayurveda has best of treatments and a wide range of solutions. You can say 100 plus different protocols to cure this condition in a very less period of time. Even the simple of the simple internal external herbs can manage this problem, cure this problem. The other therapies, other treatments, if added on, patients get cured step by step. It is very important to know the difference between relief and cure. Ayurveda may not give you relief from the first week or the second week, but it definitely cures the problem completely. There are different protocols. Let's discuss about the two simple ones, which are the common and most simple ones that will help you to some extent. It is the Abhyantar, which is the internal treatment, as well as the Bahya, which is the external treatment. Internal treatment, a common protocol, which is early morning internal Snehapan. We generally advise patients for a Mahatikta Grut, Triphala Grut, Panchatikta Grut or Bala Tel. 20 ml early morning internal oleation, internal consumption directly or mixed with half cup warm milk and to be consumed internally. This medicine, which is a Snehapan, reaches to every corner of the body, every single joint and provides strength to it. It reduces the vata, it provides lubrication, thereby giving strength to the overall body. By the first week, second week, as the internal Gritapan or the internal oil is consumed, patients start getting relief. It is very important to choose the right medicine, right quantity for a right patient to see that good change. Again, on the other side, internal Asti Poshak Dravyas are used. There are 7 dhatus. We all know about the 7 tissues that hold our body. Beautifully explained as Rasadraktam Tato Mausam Mausameda Prajayate Medu Asti Tato Maja Maja Shukrasya Sambhava, the 7 tissues. First is the plasma. When the plasma gets the right nourishment, the blood is formed. Then the mausa, then the med, and then the asti. Asti, which is the bony tissue, is the 5th tissue in our body. When we treat the cases of osteoarthritis, we have to give nourishment and have the proper formation of each of these dhatu. Hence we say there's a difference between relief and cure. Each of the dhatus, each of the tissues that hold our body has been given proper nourishment, and when it's the time that asti dhatu gets the right nourishment, the pain comes down, the inflammation comes down, of course in the initial few days of treatment itself, but good results are seen when the asti poshak dravyas and asti poshak chikitsa, like the basti chikitsa, like the raktamokshan treatment, various different protocols are there to cure the root cause. There are certain classical medicines like the Lakshadi Gugul, Sehanad, Rasnadi, there is Panchatikta Grut Gugul, there are various different formulations. There is a combination of Punarnava, Lodra and Ashwagandha, equal amount. This is called as the Janu Sandhi Shulahar Yog, mainly for the pain related to knee joint osteoarthritis, Janu Sandhi Gadvar. So various different formulations are there. There is this proprietary medicine Active Ved India tablet Ortho C Med. There is external Ortho C Med syrup, which is a combination of extracts of Ayurvedic oils. Classical oils, easily available oils like the Pinda Tel, Sarcharadi Tel, Murivenna, Vishagarbha, Mahanarayan, all these medicated oils have the best of best relief. Internal medicines and external medicines, these are the 2 simple steps. There are more effective treatments like the Patra Potli Pindasvet or the Shashtika Shali Pindasvet. We've taught you in our videos how to create a potli and how to use it over the knee joint. I'll link that video in the description box. We've discussed about Janu Basti, which is the external treatment to be done over the knee joint. This treatment has been done in most of the villages. After seeing our video, easily available home remedies can be done easily and patients have got relief. I've explained the video, the comment section are there. Patients without any medicines, just with these simple techniques, have got relief. Number 1, Potli Svet, we have a video. There is Janu Basti, which is the internal, how do you create a bridge and how you pour the medicated oils and get relief. Then there are the more effective treatments like there is the Vidya Karma, there is the Jaloka Avcharan, Raktamokshan through Siraved, there is the Alabu Chikitsa, there is ferritic needling, there is the hydrogen oxygen therapy. There are a wide range of different protocols that we follow at Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. We have a combination of the modern techniques, the natural treatments, at the same time authentic Ayurvedic protocols to cure this condition, to fix it, thereby giving long-term results to the patients. Internal oleation, external treatment, internal medicines, Asti Poshak Dravya, Ortho C Med, external oil application, post-oil application, giving a steam or giving Nadi Svet, holding a Svedan Yantra, giving a Nadi Svet, or giving a hot water bag shake, or giving heat or fermentation using a cloth, put it over gas and give a hot shake. Again, major mistake that is done by most patients, that whenever they have pain or swelling, they do the icing. They apply a cold pack, but this can lead to more swelling, or this may give you some temporary relief. To cure the problem, hot substances are important. To give fermentation, heat is very important, which we do Agni Karma, we do the moxibustion, we do the cupping, we do various such treatments where the heat stimulation is given. Heat cures the problem and cold or coolness may just give you relief. Ayurveda sets you free from the disease, may not give you relief initially but cures the problem. Hence, do not make this mistake. After you apply oil, make sure you give it some steam or give it some hot external fermentation. This is all for now. Let us know in the comment section below. We'll be able to guide you more with more of solutions. There are endless treatments and endless different tips in Ayurveda. This was all for now. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.